Small talk about weather.
What's like outside?
It's so bright out there.
How's the weather?
It's rather cold.
How's the weather like in there?
It's warm and sunny here.
What's the weather forecast?
They are calling for cloudy sky all week.
What's the weather expected to be tomorrow?
It is expected to be warmer than today.
What's the temperature today?
It's 29 degrees Celsius.
Do you have rain?
Yes. We have had it for a week.
It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Terrible weather, isn't it?
Yes. I wish the rain will stop very soon.